Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm wearing the same outfit as in my last video. Oh my god! Yes, it is in fact the same day and literally 5 minutes later. So... Anyway, I'm here for another unboxing, and this time, I mean, you can probably tell I'm expanding my gaming setup a little bit for recording because I am taking it more seriously. I got a professional recording stand for a microphone, and this should be holding my snowball, which I'm actually using right now to record the sound for this video. It's supposed to be really easy to move around. It had a lot of really good reviews, and it was literally like £15, so what more do you want? So let's unbox this. Ew. I love that people probably come here and think that I'm gonna do a really serious unboxing with like really nice angles and stuff and like really nice lighting, but instead I just have things literally falling out of the box onto my lap. Right, it comes with instructions. Very exciting. And then obviously the stand itself, so let's have a look. Ta-da! Then here is the table clamp, which feels fairly sturdy, obviously quite cheap, but you know what, it'll do. Oh, okay, enough. Oof, this one comes with elastic bands. High tech. Ooh, and here's the actual... That didn't sound very good. The actual microphone stand. Very, very, very exciting. And then it comes with a little screw. There you go. Little metal adapter. That's what it's called in the instructions. I have to say, the packaging, I guess I did only pay like £15, so it's probably what I should have expected. However, I feel like they could have gone, I don't know, they could have done maybe like separate boxes for all the stuff instead of stuffing everything into one box with just like these really cheap bags. But you know, this is all the stuff we're getting, and let's install it real quick. Cool, well I guess this is it. Yet another very useful, amazing video by me. And I hope you enjoyed my 2 new unboxings, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one with some actual gameplay where I put all of this to amazing use. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely weekend, whenever you watch this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!